Low-intensity cardio for fat loss at home. Simple beginners workout at home. If you think the only effective way to lose weight is by performing high-intensity, high-impact workouts, you might want to think again. In this video, we will share some of the most effective low-intensity cardio that are suited for beginners and those who are injured. Below are some effective exercises which require no special equipment and can be performed at the comfort of your home. Jog-in-place jacks. You can start out by walking in place lightly while making a slow jumping jack motion with your arms. As you progress, you can march, jog, or do jumping jacks while increasing the movement speed of your arms. Static squat, punch. You may begin by doing a shallow squat and then a punching motion without putting in any extra weight. Hold the squatting position for just a few seconds and then come up making your punching movements. To make this more challenging, stay squatted lower and for a longer period of time. You may also hold dumbbells while making the punching movements. Static lunge, curls. Do this exercise by making a shallow lunge, keeping your feet relatively close together, while using light dumbbells for your bicep curls. If you want to make this exercise harder, lunge deeper, keeping your feet further and then increasing the weight of the dumbbells that you use. Windmill steps. In its simplest form, this exercise involves making a simple side step, allowing your trailing leg to move behind you with a tap, and making a large circular arm swing. If you want to make this exercise more difficult, you may drop your hips to the ground and make a squatting position. Moreover, it is recommended to increase the width of your step and speed of your movement until you change the movement into a lateral jump. Fingertip to toe jacks. Begin by performing a slow leg lift, reaching to your toes and then increasing the height and speed of your leg lift until you are somehow hopping from one leg to another with only a single foot on the ground each time, and certain moments when both feet are off the floor. Stutter step. To do this exercise, start by putting your entire weight in one leg while keeping it straight or making a slight bend. Keep your other leg positioned a couple of inches behind you, and then drive the knee up in front of you slowly while bringing your hands down. To make it more difficult, squat deeper, extend your leg further behind you, and boost the speed of the movement. These low-intensity cardio exercises can serve as a good starting point for those who are untrained and have just started on their weight loss journey. The good thing about these is that they can raise your heart rate without causing too much stress on your joints. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. If you want to be notified of our new uploads, do the following. New subscribers, click on the bell icon when you subscribe. Old subscribers, please turn on all your notifications.